In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite Robinhood. If you want to share Robinhood with friends and unlock a bonus together, I'll walk you through exactly how it works, what to tap on, and what your friend needs to do so neither of you miss out. Here's the big picture. Robinhood has an Invite Friends program where you share your personal referral link. When your friend signs up using that link, gets approved, and links a bank or debit card, you both receive free stock. The reward amount can vary, but it's usually in the range of about $5 to $200 worth. The key is that your friend must complete those steps using your unique link so the system can track it correctly. Now let's do the actual send on desktop. Start by logging into your Robinhood account on the web. Once you're in, look for the section labeled Rewards. This is where Robinhood organizes your promotions and referral tools. Click into Rewards, then find the option to share link. When you click Share Link, Robinhood will display your personal referral URL. Copy that link and send it directly to your friend. Text, email, or any private message works great. The fewer redirects, the better, so your friend can simply tap or click and start the sign up from your link. Here's the important part on your friend's side. For you to get the reward, your friend needs to sign up using your link, complete the approval process, and link a bank or a debit card. Only after all three are done do you both receive the free stock. If your friend starts an account without your link and tries to add it later, it may not count. So encourage them to begin by clicking your link first. If they don't see confirmation that they used a referral, have them back up and start again through your link. A few rules to keep in mind. There's typically an annual cap, and you can earn up to about $1,500 in free stocks per year from referrals. Rewards usually need to be claimed within 60 days, so don't let them sit. Check your rewards section and claim them promptly. Also, this program is primarily available to users in the United States, and details can change, so always review the latest terms in the app or on the Robinhood website. That's it. Share your link from Rewards, make sure your friend signs up, gets approved, and links a bank or debit card, and then you both enjoy your free stock.